So you may be coming from my last video of how I did the watercolor method and turned this black wig from red to black. So if you want to know how I styled it, don't worry, I got you. When styling your wig, the first thing you want to do is to condition your wig right after washing it with a good leave-in conditioner. I look crazy. After cooking this out in Restyle, you know, I cut my wash color immediately. Look, they put a little bit. Bruh. What the? Supposed to do with that? We're gonna use it though. Ugh. This feels really sticky. Oh, bruh. I just put the wrong conditioner in there. I think you gotta wash this out. Man. Now I gotta go wash this out, y'all. Kill me now. Kill me now, I say. I'll be back after I wash this out. Okay, I'm back. It's washed out. Let's get back to drying.
Okay. I just want you to know you really are a great girlfriend.
You just thought of that?
Not just now, I've been wanting to tell you. I was going to text you that. Just tell you I appreciate you, you know, for dealing with me and being patient with me. I see you. Thank you.
Y'all heard that? Now I'm just going in with a hair mist that I got from the beauty store. It should be in any beauty store. They smell so good. It's just like a hair perfume to make sure your hair smells good after you use all those chemicals and flat irons and stuff. So here you can see me applying a wax stick. This just ensures that it goes down flatter. And then I spray it to hold it. And then I go in with the hot comb. Make sure you're applying a lot of pressure so it can get as flat as possible. I'm using the chase method where you take the comb and you put it at the bottom of the flat iron and then you chase the comb with the flat iron. That's how you get your hair to be as straight as possible when you are flat ironing it. So I'm doing one side of the hair at a time, parting in straight across sections. And then I'm splitting those sections into 3 or 2. And then I'm flat ironing in those sections to get each section straight as possible. If you like this video and you want to see a full detailed review on how I install a wig from beginning to end, then make sure you check out this video right here. I'm parting straight across or side to side versus front to back, meaning from the back of the head to the front, so I can actually see what I'm doing and what I'm flat ironing. I'll link where you can get one of these makeup brushes, but I got it from an all-in-one makeup kit from Pop Glam on Amazon for about $35. It's so useful. This is the final result of the wig dyed from red to black, and then I styled it for y'all. And by the way, this is an old wig. So I also teach the girls how to do makeup. So if you wanted to know how we do this cute little lip combo, then make sure you check out the recent video about how I did this lip combo and the playlist of makeup.